Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones Argon Audio Quiet Storm. Firstly, we need to turn off these headphones. So, at the right ear cup we have power button. Right here near to volume control, press and hold this power button until you will see the red LED light. Here we go. After that, we need to turn on them, so press and hold power button until you will see the white LED light. Here we go. And we just did it. We can check it in the settings, if it reconnect, yes it reconnect, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!